Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to send photos from your Android phone, whether you're using the Messages app or email. So if you want to quickly share pictures with friends, family, or anyone else, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Messages app on your phone and go into the conversation where you want to send your photos. Now, look at the text box. On the right side, you'll see a small image icon. That's the fastest way to send pictures. You can also tap the plus icon on the left side, then choose a photo from your gallery. Both options work the same, so just use whichever you prefer. Now, tap the image icon. This will open a screen where you can either take a new photo using your camera or browse your gallery from the bottom. Go ahead and scroll through your photos and find what you want to send. You can select a single photo or multiple images. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Done. After that, you'll be able to preview your photos and even add a caption if you want. When you're ready, just hit Send, and your photos will be delivered. Now, another way to send photos is by using email. Open your email app, then tap on Compose to start a new message, add the recipient's email, type in a subject, and now you're ready to attach your photos. To do that, tap the paperclip icon at the top of the screen, then choose Photos or Files. Just like before, browse your gallery, select the images you want, and they'll be attached to your email. Once everything looks good, send it. And that's it. Whether you're using Messages, email, or even apps like WhatsApp, the process is basically the same. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.